Hey, Warren Eckstein here. Does your dog stink? Have you noticed a change in the way your dog smells? Well, don't mistake your pet's stinky breath as par for the course when it comes to aging. Remember, healthy pets don't stink. If your pet has started to smell differently, bad breath, stinky ears, skin, noxious smelling gas, there could be a problem. Let's start with bad breath, for example. You know, a lot of dogs, we joke about puppy breath, and yeah, dogs have a certain breath that's kind of neat, but breath can tell you an awful lot. Bad breath can be a sure sign of dental disease, even oral melanoma and diabetes or kidney failure. Very often when a dog has really sweet breath, it could be indicative of diabetes. Also, musky smelling ears are usually a sign of an ear infection. So I go around smelling my dog's ears all the time. And what about stinky skin? You know, sometimes stinky skin is accompanied with itchy, flaky skin or lesions can be indicative of allergies, seborrhea, or even bacterial or yeast infection, something you'd want to have checked with your veterinarian. And this is important also. You know, we make fun of the way our dogs smell, but a dog should smell healthy. And while you may be used to your pet producing, how do I put this, if your dog is a little gassy, but all of a sudden you notice that odor is not the way it usually is, it's more intense, it smells different, that could be a sign of gastrointestinal disease, something you'd also want to check with your veterinarian. As well, it could be that your dog may need its anal glands expressed. So if we love our dogs, and I recommend massaging your dog every day just to feel for lumps and bumps, but I also do the nose test. I sniff my dog's breath, I sniff their ears, I stop there. But the reason for that is basically that it tells me if something's changing. And we all know that 85% to 90% of pets will develop some type of dental or periodontal disease by the time they're 3 or 4 years old. So that stinky mouth, that breath can be indicative of something you need to take care of. So remember, you can tell an awful lot about your pet's health just by smelling them. So if you notice your dog or even your cat is starting to smell a little bit different, sniff them over, keep some notes, but you should have a conversation with your veterinarian, because sometimes something very minor in terms of the way the smell changes could indicate something more dangerous in the future. But if you take care of it right away, it can help your pet live a long and healthy life. So smells mean an awful lot, but again, as I say and I stress this, if you notice that your dog or cat, the odor changes, breath, skin, a trip to your veterinarian may be in order. I'm Warren Eckstein. Give all your pets a big hug for you and a big hug for me as well.